आज हमारे पास रिपोर्ट है बांग्लादेश एयरफोर्स के मामले में। कहा जा रहा है इंटरनेशनल मीडिया की तरफ से कि बांग्लादेश अब J-10C लेने की बात कर रहा है। J-10C चाइना का सबसे लेटेस्ट फाइटर जेट है जो कि पाकिस्तान के पास ऑलरेडी मौजूद है। इंटरनेशनल मीडिया ये दावा करिए कि बांग्लादेश बहुत जल्द J-10C के 10 फाइटर जेट लेने वाले हैं। चलिए आपके साथ इस बारे में रिपोर्ट शेयर करते हैं और आपको बताते हैं कि क्या सच में बांग्लादेश J-10C के 10 फाइटर जेट लेने वाला है।
The Chief of Air Staff of the Bangladesh Air Force, Air Chief Marshal Hassan Mahmud Khan, has outlined an ambitious plan to enhance the force's operational readiness. Addressing the media, he emphasized, "We are devotedly trying to acquire multi-role combat aircraft and attack helicopters." This statement underscores Bangladesh's focused approach to bolstering both offensive and defensive air capabilities, reflecting the nation's growing strategic priorities. Among the initiatives under consideration is the acquisition of the Chinese-made Chengdu J-10C multi-role combat aircraft. Reports suggest that the Bangladesh Air Force could procure 16 J-10C jets in the first phase, aimed at replacing the aging F-7MB squadron and bridging the technological gap in its fleet. The J-10C, a fourth-generation plus fighter, offers versatility in air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Equipped with advanced avionics, an active electronically scanned array radar, and the ability to deploy modern weapons, the aircraft would significantly enhance the Bangladesh Air Force's operational readiness. Additionally, discussions are ongoing regarding Bangladesh potentially acquiring the JF-17 Block 3, a collaborative fighter jet developed by Pakistan and China. The JF-17 Block 3 offers cutting-edge avionics, improved radar systems, and superior weapons integration, making it a cost-effective yet powerful option for Air Force modernization. These efforts highlight Bangladesh's intent to maintain a modern and robust Air Force while exploring regional partnerships. The Bangladesh Air Force is also prioritizing the acquisition of advanced attack helicopters, which play a crucial role in close air support, anti-armor operations, and reconnaissance missions. Although specific models have not been disclosed, this initiative reflects a comprehensive approach to strengthening the force's capabilities across diverse operational scenarios. The regional dynamics surrounding Bangladesh's defense upgrades have taken an unexpected turn due to provocative statements by Bangladeshi academic and commentator Dr. Shahiduzzaman. In a recent video circulating on social media, he advocated for Bangladesh to acquire JF-17 fighter jets from Pakistan. Dr. Shahiduzzaman claimed that the JF-17 Thunder offers capabilities comparable to the American F-35 Lightning II at a fraction of the cost. While his assertion has drawn skepticism from defense experts who emphasize the vast technological difference between the two aircraft, the remarks underscore Bangladesh's growing interest in the JF-17 program. While Dr. Shahiduzzaman's views do not represent the official stance of the Bangladeshi government, they have sparked debate about the country's defense and foreign policy trajectory. Bangladesh's potential acquisition of JF-17 Block 3 aircraft from Pakistan and J-10C jets from China signifies its intent to maintain a strong and modern air force while building regional defense partnerships. However, these efforts also bring challenges, including the integration of new systems, pilot training, maintenance logistics, and compatibility with existing infrastructure. Moreover, balancing such defense upgrades with the financial constraints of a developing economy remains a significant concern. Bangladesh's defense modernization reflects its commitment to securing its airspace and enhancing its strategic posture. Yet, fostering constructive relationships with neighboring countries, particularly Pakistan and India, will be crucial to ensuring peace and stability in the region. Stay updated on the latest developments in defense and geopolitics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and updates. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Bangladesh's growing defense capabilities and regional implications? Let us know.
इंटरनेशनल मीडिया का कहना है इस टाइम पे कि बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान के बजाय अब चाइना से फाइटर जेट लेने वाले हैं। वैसे तो बांग्लादेश का ये इरादा था कि पाकिस्तानी J-17 थंडर ब्लॉक 3 खरीदे, लेकिन अब बांग्लादेश का माइंड चेंज हो चुका है और बांग्लादेश J-10C फाइटर जेट लेने वाले हैं। वैसे अगर बात करें तो तीन चीजें हो सकती है, या तो बांग्लादेश J-10C ले, या तो बांग्लादेश F-17 थंडर ले, या राफेल ले। अब मुझे जहां तक लग रहा है या तो बांग्लादेश इस तरीके से करेगा कि J-10C और F-17 थंडर ले, या तो J-10C और राफेल ले, क्योंकि J-10C एक अलग फाइटर जेट है, राफेल और F-17 थंडर एक ही क्वालिटी के फाइटर जेट है। तो अगर बांग्लादेश ये करना चाहता है कि भाई पाकिस्तान से F-17 थंडर ले 80 फाइटर जेट जो बात की है, और चाइना से J-10C के 10 फाइटर जेट ले, तो दोनों मॉडल्स बांग्लादेश के पास होंगे और बांग्लादेश उसको कई अच्छी तरीके से इस्तेमाल कर सकता है। आप सबको पता है कि भाई बांग्लादेश अपनी एयरफोर्स को ताकतवर बनाने के लिए हर दिन रात मेहनत करती है। बांग्लादेश एयरफोर्स एक नए फाइटर जेट की तरफ जा रही है जिसका नाम है J-10C फाइटर जेट।